Hello everyone, my name is Diab and I will be talking to you about my thesis. The topic for my dissertation is water security, the water food energy nexus. And my aim through these slides is to provide a general outlook and an understanding of the topic, the areas of research, and the importance and significance of the research, to create an understanding and a sense of the problems and the issues faced within this topic, uh, to present suitable case studies, and to then overall develop a research question and then potentially propose a research proposal to address the research question. Just to begin with, I want to first start by talking about the importance of water security and water security overall, before we get to the water energy food nexus in a nexus concept. The modern world has witnessed a growing concern for management of different resources, especially since there is a prospect of permanently losing or exhausting these resources. Now, water has always played a vital role in human society, and its security is among the agendas discussed extensively by world organizations over the recent years. Its importance extends far beyond just being an important commodity for survival of the species. It also plays a pivotal role across different issues, including governance, livelihood, national security, and economic development, etc. Apart from these, water security grows increasingly in importance with regards to the growing concern around climate change issues. The management of water therefore becomes essential primarily to ensure survival and to maintain social, economic, and political stability. Collaborative effort is required across different sectors in order to ensure acceptable quality of water can be sustained and safeguarded against contamination and scarcity. It's also important to maintain provision and safe access to this water to ensure the well-being of people. Apart from scarcity, effective water management is also required to prevent waterborne diseases and other disasters caused by water mismanagement. While water lies in the center of the ecosystem and is essential for driving this ecosystem and maintaining environmental stability, it also proves to be at the center of different social and political issues. Moving on to the water, energy, and food nexus. Water, energy, and food are essential components of the human society. It is vital to achieve human aims such as poverty reduction and sustainable development. And WEF nexus, or the water energy nexus, essentially refers to a framework which describes the links or interconnectedness between these three components. It is projected that the demand for water, energy, and food will increase significantly over the next few years, and the pressures of the population growth and mobility, economic development, urbanization, cultural and technological changes, and climate change. The water energy food nexus well describes the complex nature of the global resources system. Nexus Nexus interactions are dynamic and sectoral. Ish, and cannot be looked isolated from one another. It has to be approached in a nexus way. I previously discussed my literature review, which conceptualized water security and the water energy food nexus. The study was based in Algarve in Portugal, where the region faced water scarcity issues. As it was a semi arid area, the climate in the area was semi arid, and there was a clear lack of large flowing rivers. The area experienced climatic variances such as the North Atlantic Oscillation and the East Atlantic pattern, and the effect of these variances on the water security of the region was the center of my study. The various methods involved in quantifying and comparing these factors, along with other factors, were all explained, and how these factors, along with other factors, leaves this area vulnerable to frequent droughts, and how that has a direct impact and a direct effect on the water energy food nexus. Uh, Different countries around the world encounter different issues within the water energy food nexus, and various trade offs and decisions are involved, such as usage of land resources for agriculture, or alternatively, usage for production of energy. In order to develop the whole system sustainably, the entire nexus has to be taken into consideration, and management has to be carried out accordingly. Although extensive research is available outlining the meaning, importance, and the analysis of water energy food nexus, there isn't a significant amount of research analyzing specific complexities uh, for the food, water, energy, food nexus. This is especially true in the case of issues related to sustainability with special regards to irrigated agriculture. Furthermore, there is a gap in addressing agricultural issues such as loading of nutrients, degradation of soil, and the use of chemical pesticides and fertilizers. That ties directly into the water energy food nexus, as the maintenance of quality of the soil is of utmost importance considering storage, transformation, and water recycling, as well as production of food and biomass. Special consideration has to be given to the water scarce regions for soil quality maintenance, as they are more prone to degradation and salinization, thereby signifying the importance of proper agricultural and irrigation practices. Hence, it is evident that there is a need for research and innovative solutions regarding this aspect for the benefit of the water energy food nexus. Coming to the purpose and the significance of the study, the fundamental purpose of this study is to find and develop solutions and practices to enhance the agriculture irrigation system, which in turn would then aid the water energy food nexus. As established thus far, the role of agriculture in water energy food nexus is of high significance. Apart from being significant for the global food production, irrigated agriculture is vital in the social and the economic development of a country. Additionally, the United Nations have imposed sustainable development goals for all the countries of the world to attain broader planet goals. This provides another reason for supporting the need to research irrigation agriculture and develop innovative solutions for irrigation practices. Deep aspects of irrigation agriculture can be studied to identify the problems and develop solutions to address them. One such problem is the salinization of soil, especially in specific areas having a negative water balance. This can have adverse effects on the entire ecosystem and significantly hamper food production in the long run, which results in a greater need for water resources in order to mitigate soil salinization. The need for innovative solutions within the irrigation agriculture industry has been established so as to promote sustainability and prevent wastage, to subsequently promote water security and to support the water energy food nexus. So all this signifies that it is a necessity for us to look at and research the technological advancements within this field in order to determine if these technologies can be incorporated or implemented in the development of a different project. Right? Some of these technologies include IoT and AI. Now, IoT is something that depends upon the utilization of data, connects different physical things with machines and systems, and facilitates intelligent data transfer without the need for human to human interaction. AI, or artificial intelligence, similarly is a very effective tool where activities can be performed by a computer without the need for human intelligence or human interaction. The idea behind the research is then to implement these innovative tools to deal with the research question. The research question being how technological advancements can be incorporated to develop intelligent systems that enhance the overall irrigation system and promotes water security. To simply put, the proposal then from my end is to develop a system using artificial intelligence which would enhance the entire irrigation process and prevent wastage of water while ensuring soil health. An automated system which takes into account different factors, including temperature conditions, percentage of humidity, and other varying climatic statistics and data, as well as the needs of different crops and plants. Then, a second or a subsequent part of the system uses this information to provide water and other nutrients accordingly. The system would ensure minimal wastage of water and efficient use of water and other chemical, maintaining overall soil health. The system would depend upon analysis of data to create a forecast, and therefore extensive research is required to find ways to attach the required database to the system. Data pertaining to the area, indicating the type of the soil, the climatic history of the area, and all the other hydrological aspects will have to be taken into consideration. Since AI and IoT are relatively new, and the advanced extensive research and Extensive research and expert consultations will be required to determine the viability of this proposal. Should the system be a success and should the technology be developed successfully, the results could mean a better crop management, improved resource management, enhanced cost efficiency, improvement of crops both qualitatively and quantitatively.